Are you filming me?
Yes.
Hey, I'm Randy Key from Griffin, Georgia. Today we're going to cut down our Christmas tree using the Zippo 4-in-1 Woodsman. Put the saw blade on. Pretty simple. Lock the blade in the cover. Now you have a saw ready. Simple as that. Let's see how it works. Simple as that. Now to put the blade back away. Open the cover. Unlock your blade with the tensioner. Blade goes back in the handle. Put the cover back in place. Tighten the screw, and you're good to go. Thank you.